At TrueMagnumWay, we know the market can feel like a maze. One screen says move. Another says wait. A signal appears, then another one argues with it 5 seconds later. That is where many traders lose focus. Not because they lack ambition, but because too much information without structure quickly turns into noise. We built TrueMagnumWay to help users find the path through it. Our approach starts with data. Not data for decoration. Useful data. Clear analytics. Meaningful signals. Insights that help users understand what may matter and what may just be movement trying to look important. With 1M+ actions processed, 30+ access methods, and 2,500+ options available, TrueMagnumWay gives users broad access, but the real value is direction. Because more options only help when you can read them clearly. We also believe progress comes from learning by layers. Theory. Analysis. Learning. Practice. That is why TrueMagnumWay supports beginner-friendly plans with educational resources, while also offering advanced tools, higher limits, and dedicated support for users who want more depth. Growth should not feel like being thrown into deep water with a spreadsheet. No two users work the same way. That is why we focus on custom workflows, adaptable settings, and a tailored platform experience. The goal is simple. Let users build around their habits, their goals, and their preferred way of making decisions. A strong platform should fit the strategy, not fight it. At TrueMagnumWay, we believe confident progress starts when the path becomes clearer. With structured insight, smart tools, expert support, and a learning ecosystem built for growth, we help users move forward with more control. That is the TrueMagnumWay. Your data compass for confident trading.